Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage back here with you again. You might saw in my last video, I showed you how to fix up a thread that's been bruised, either with a hammer or whatever. So now I took the bolt and I cut the end of it off, and can't get the nut on. Like, it's got, I don't know if you can see here or not, but yeah, it's got that little burr right there. So I'm going to show you how to fix this up with your bench grinder. Again, you don't need a die nut. You don't need a die. You can fix this stuff up fairly easily once you have the knowledge. Okay, so I'm going to use my bench grinder to fix this thread up. I'm hoping you'll be able to see what I'm going to do, but basically, you're just going to come into the grinder kind of like a 45-degree angle and turn it as you're going. So because the wheel turns this way, it's actually cleaning out the thread as it goes by. A journeyman millwright I was learning from when I was an apprentice a long time ago showed me that, and it just made sense to me, and I've always done it since then. So it works well. You don't need to use a bench grinder if you're out in the field somewheres, and you got a hand grinder with you. You can do that too. It's just the concept of the wheels turning this way and you're cleaning out the thread. So anyways, I'll show you what I do here. There, that's it. So the end of the thread's cleaned up. It's kind of got a little bit of a chamfer on the end now. And this nut just threads right on. There. So just another quick one for you. I know sometimes people cut these nuts off, or cut these bolts off. They put the nut on first, cut it off, then use the nut to sort of take care of that piece. But here's just another way you can do it. And if you're if you're out in the field and you didn't have a grinder or anything, you can even just do it with a file. You just got to get rid of that burr. I just like doing it with a bench grinder because it's just really quick. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.